Hey, it's Scotty, and I'm with this girl. Her name is Gaia, and she is from the LA Guinea Pig Rescue, and unfortunately she has a mammary tumor, pretty big, couple lumps here, and the rescue has been struggling so badly with funds that I just thought, I'm going to take her and get her this surgery if she's a candidate. So I'm here for this is a consultation to find out if she is able to have surgery. I frequently say that it is during illness when we bond the most with these piggies. And it's definitely true right now. I'm trying my best not to get attached. But she is so sweet. The vet's gonna come in and we're gonna see what the opinion is. So Dr. McDowell thinks that it is a massive lump, but that it's not fused to any of the internal body parts. She can get her fingers around it, so she's gonna try. We're gonna try. And her prognosis without doing anything isn't good. So that's what we wanna do. These tissues are because there's all sorts of blood and pus leaking from this thing, and it's very gross. But we're gonna try. We're gonna try to save her. That's what it's all about. So we made it back home, and I just wanted to show you the incision real quick. I'm also noticing she's been making a little hooting noise. Her eyes are a little runny. Now she's going to have a course of antibiotics because of the incision, and hopefully that's all there is just some kind of a infection, lung infection or something, URI. But I'll keep an eye on her. This hooting sound is similar to what we see sometimes with heart issues, but her cancer's gone. So the mammary tumor, now we opted not for the biopsy because that's just an added cost, and the vets are very good, and of course any new lumps that appear we would get them removed. So let's look at her incision. So here's the incision, and I can tell you that the similar one with Poppy and Allie, they heal very well. This looks like it's going to be a heck of a scar, but it will heal much better. And in 2 weeks, she's going to have her stitches taken out and a follow-up. Okay, let me flip you back over. Here, come here. Come here. So, again, I just want to thank the patrons and the subscribers and everybody that watches these videos every day, because without you I couldn't do this. And if you're noticing the band-aids on my fingers, it's because when I was chopping veggies yesterday at the rescue, the little hatchet thing that I used to cut the veggies with slipped a little bit. I am usually extremely careful, and I was careful. This thing is just very sharp, and it's not like I chopped my finger. I just the finger glanced on the edge of the blade and cut me a bit. So that's just comes with the territory. But thank you guys so much, everybody. Liking, subscribing, watching the videos, especially the patrons and the channel members. You guys make this possible. So thank you so much for empowering me to be able to help piggies at the rescue where otherwise they wouldn't be able to get help. And, you know, it's a triage situation there at the rescue. There's medical pigs are coming in every day, and we can only do so much. And sometimes there have to be tough choices, but when it comes to mammary tumors, especially in a young piggy like this, Gaia, it's such an easily fixable thing. You know, I'm not a surgeon, so I'm sure it's a challenging surgery, and it's something that requires skill and experience and training. But these vets, they do it every day. So, oh, yes, and I'm getting very attached to her. I don't think that my 2x4 is big enough for 3 piggies, but she's going to be here with me for a couple more weeks while she's healing, and then she's going to have a follow-up. So she is, I believe, available for adoption through the Los Angeles Guinea Pig Rescue. Let me know if you want to adopt her. We can see if she, you know, hopefully this is not a heart issue, and that she'll be 100% in a couple weeks. So we're going to keep a close eye on her. Thank you guys so much. What these piggies go through is heartbreaking. You know, she came from the shelter, and who knows what she went through before she got to the rescue. And then having these tumors, and it's just these little sweet creatures don't deserve to have so much trouble and difficulty and heartache and hardship in their little lives. So thank you for empowering me to be able to do something, and I hope that, and I know that I've inspired you to pay it forward and to continue this work that we all feel is so important. And this kindness and love that we're fostering, it extends beyond guinea pigs to each other and to the world as a whole. So I'm really grateful that the lessons that we're learning here are just extending far beyond this little niche and this little community. All right. Until next time. Thanks for watching.